Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package here, and it is from GBFKE. Thank you for sending this, GBFKE. Let's get into it and let's see what I got this time. There's a little flat one. Here's a larger one. Medium. and that. And that. And that. I think that's all. Yep, that's all. Okay, so we're going to do this in one video because, yeah, it's not that many things. Okay, so let's roll with it. Let me move all this out of the way so we can do one at a time. Let's start with the smalls. Let's start with smalls. I got this because of my granddaughter. Okay, toolkit. Because if you recall at Christmas time, I got her a little kit. And it was larger gems, and I thought these stickers had larger gems, and I thought this would be perfect for the grandkids. And look at how cute they are, right? There's a diamond and a rainbow and a unicorn, little mermaid, and look, they do appear to have larger symbols. Okay, let's focus, focus, focus. There we go. See the larger symbols? So I thought this would be perfect for the kids. Yeah. All right, let's see what we have for symbols, or not symbols. See what we have for drills. And they do look larger. Awesome. That was what I was hoping for. So they're rhinestones. All of them are rhinestones, but they are the larger size rhinestones. Yeah, cool, right? Some pinks, green, yellow, a couple of blues, and a purple. So this is awesome. They are larger. They're going to be easier for the kids to manage. Exactly what I was hoping for. And then they can each have a little sticker when they're done. Okay, I'm happy. I'm happy. I like it. Okay, that's the first thing I got. Stickers for the kids. All right. The next thing is rhinestones as well. Look at this cute little bag it comes in. I love that. DIY diamond painting. Zips open. Look at that. All right, had to do it. Had to do it. Here's our toolkit. Here's our gems. And look what I got. I got a mask. Okay, this is an interesting feeling mask. It's very, very stretchy, and I wouldn't even begin to tell you what kind of material that is. Very interesting though. But look at it. Isn't it cute? I mean, you know, if we're wearing masks, why not? Let's have something cute, right? I had to try it. I just had to get one. So let's look at the drills that go on it. I'm going to do this up like right away. I mean, I'm going to rock my mask until we don't have to wear them any longer. Hopefully that day is coming soon. All right, what do we have in this one? Not a whole lot of colors. Look, we got a couple of pinks, a black resin drill, and a blue. And then we have a few specials, some pink teardrops, and some blue teardrops. Yep, I'm going to do that right away. That can't take that long, right? It's going to be quick and easy. I'm just going to put it back in this bag for a hot second and maybe do that this weekend. Yeah, this weekend. Okay, there's that. All right, let's grab another one. What do we have next? What do we have? Come on. Oh, look it. We have lots of color. Lots of dark color, lots of multi-placing of R's, it would appear. Looks like a blue background, right? Pretty clear, absolutely clear. We have DMC codes over here. We have numbers. We have some letters, just numbers and letters. All right, nice. Okay, I'm gonna roll this backwards. This is a stiffer canvas. I mean, it really is pretty stiff. I mean, I don't know if it really doesn't matter a whole lot. I don't know. As long as the canvas is nice and sticky, you can read the symbols, you got good drills. Pretty colors, pretty colors. We'll look at those in a second. This was so cute. I could not resist this. It's my time of year for this. What do you think it is? It's not a polar bear. No, it's not a polar bear. It's a little snowman. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. You guys, he's so stinking cute. I think we're like way zoomed in. Let's zoom out a little bit more. We're so close. All right, But isn't he cute? Look at all the snowflakes coming down. He's got his hat and his scarf on. He's got some candy. He's so cute. I love him. Yeah, 24 colors and a legend on both sides. As you can see, bottom and top. So cute. Love him. Love him, love him. All right. I can see him framed and in my house somewhere because January, February is all about snowmen around here at my house. Look at these colors. Wow. Pretty, pretty colors and lots of them. Okay, here we go. So we have some white, some purple. Did I really just call that purple? Pink, coral, blue. On the package is just the number on the canvas and your kit number. So it's kit B3296, and this is number 20 on our canvas. Then we have another strip. Now we have purple, green, purple, purple. Lots of purples. Look at the purples. More pinks, a red, some greens, some oranges, and here comes all of this blue. Blue, 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 blue. All right, yeah, there's that. Okay, next one. He's cute. I like him a lot. Can't get this one open. Might need to bust out a knife. Let's get out a knife. Which knife comes first? The X-Acto knife. That's what we got. Okay, there we go. These are packed in these little bags, nice and tight. Now this canvas already feels different. It's not as stiff. It's a little more pliable. Okay, if I get in trouble for this one, I get in trouble for it. But I heard that, I don't know, we'll see. They're all over the place. And I've heard that, she likes to see people do the artwork. I don't know. We'll see. Anyhow, it's a gorgeous girl. And she's cute. And she has 20 colors. And she's holding a little basket of flowers. And I just had to try it, okay? There's not a whole lot of multi-placing behind her. Yeah. It's a lot of confetti, actually. Lots of different colors. Well, I guess there is multi-placing and confetti. I don't know what to say. There's some of each, I guess. But she's really cute. I'm not going to open up all the drills. It is the colors that you see, grays and blues and pinks, okay? It is what it is, okay? So we're not going to spend a whole lot of time going through the drills on that. All right, let's move on. Let's move on to the next one. All right. Sticky, sticky, and more sticky. Whoa, it's like even on my fingers sticky. All right, do I have a special drill? I do. Okay, this is my special drill. This is a really soft and pliable canvas. I like this one a lot. All right, basic toolkit. My chickens are coming up on the deck and hanging out there. There's our drills. Looking in the window, watching what I'm doing. But this one is so pretty. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. It's a cardinal sitting on the bush, and the flowers are all drilled. The cardinal is all drilled. There's another cardinal that's flying away there. I love my cardinals. Every day I look out my window and I have beautiful cardinals out in our bush or at the bird feeder. I love it. That is so pretty. I don't know if they're magnolia flowers or what they are, but it's gorgeous. 14 different shapes and stones and rhinestones. Let's see what we get with it. Love this one. There's a loose bag and a loose bag, and here's our strip. Okay, so these are our rhinestones. We have a clear or silver, ruby dark red, another red, a green, a gold, That's a corally color. Why doesn't this want to focus? Come on and focus, seriously. A different kind of corally orange color. Icy blue resin, black drills, purple and a yellow. Got all kinds of colors. I'm surprised it's got that many colors, but it does. And then we have some yellow pearls, some orange faceted rounds, and some smooth round red. Beautiful. I love this. Oh my gosh. I have one bird that's on my fireplace. It stays up on my fireplace. And it is so pretty up there. I want to do that one. I haven't done a cardinal yet. I want to do a cardinal. All right. This one, I'm assuming, is going to be a larger painting. Do I remember which one it is? No. But let's unroll it and we'll find out. Oh my goodness. Okay, just look at that right there. Look at that. Look at that color. Wow. Wow. 23 colors. It is bright and vibrant and all the colors I love. And we're rolling, rolling, rolling. Okay, we made it to the end. The plastic on it is super tight and it doesn't want to really roll back very well because look, it's bunching because it's super tight. It's going to need to be released. We have 2 tool kits. Oh, look, and they have multi-placers. Yes, the 4-placers. Love that. Here's our big bag of drills. Look at all those white. Yeah, let's look at those in a minute. Okay. So here's our legend. It has 23 colors. They have the DMC codes. It's like all letters. All letters. O and G, which can be confused, are totally different. E and F are totally different. So I don't think anything's going to be very confusing here. Let's look at a dark spot right here. Let's see if I can get it to not be glary. O's, O's, and there is D, but they're easy to tell apart, the O and the D. Like, look, there's an O and there's a D. They're totally different colors. They're close, but look at this. Confetti, confetti, confetti. It's like, let's just checkerboard, right? Yeah. I don't think there's going to be much multi-placing here. Down here, we get some W's, we get some R's. There's a little bit of multi-placing. It gets some, but wow. Okay, you guys, my favorite flower. My favorite flower is a peony. And that is what these are peonies. And they are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, I got too much stuff in the way. Let's move the drills. Let's move these toolkits. Oh, and then I just knock you all over the place. I'm so sorry. All right, let's see if we can zoom it out now. There it is. Isn't it gorgeous? It's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Purple and pink and reds. That's gorgeous. I love it. Wow, love it. So there's multi-placing here. There's a bunch of Z's in here. A bunch of, well, I think that's all one color. Yeah. All the white back in here. Lots of white. That's why we saw 3 bags of white. All of this I is all white. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Before I put this away, I'm going to like flatten this out better, pull the plastic back, because it is really, really, really tight. And it just doesn't want to lay down at all because how tight the plastic is. So I will release that in a little bit, but isn't it gorgeous? Oh man, you guys. I would love to do this one like right away. Look at this, how long this strip of drills is. Wow. Look at the colors. These colors are gorgeous. I wonder if it's 2 strips or 1. It's 2. Perfect. Look at these colors, you guys. Look at this magenta. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Camera's wanting to be weird again. Okay. Some green, a purpley blue. They're just beautiful. Look at these. Look at those pinks. Wow. And then, oh my gosh, 4 bags of this purple. Beautiful. And then we have more and more pinks. They're upside down. I know they're upside down. All right. More and more pinks. More pink. 4 bags of the 18. Another purple. More blue. And then we have 4 bags of the white. That is gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Wow. I knew it was pretty on the website, but my goodness, it's even more beautiful in person. It's more beautiful in person. It's not all peonies either. Like that's a peony, but this is not. Those are something different back in there. Those are not peonies. It's got different flowers, so it's gorgeous, just gorgeous. Wow. How pretty is that? Now, if that's not a lot of color for you, I don't know what is then, right? Because that is stunning, just stunning. I'd love to work on this one, really. Oh my gosh, good and sticky. Wow. All right, you guys. Well, that's what I got from GBFKE this time, and if you see something you like here, I will have it linked below so you can go check it out on their website and pick one up for you. I'm making this video towards the end of January. Everybody is going on vacation in China, and they go on vacation for like a month. Their holiday is like a month long. So there probably won't be any shipping for a while, but just, you know, go look. If you find something you like, put it in your cart. If you want to order it right now, go ahead. You'll have to wait probably a little while, or just save it in your cart until, I don't know, it's like sometime in February. But it's gorgeous, just stunning. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys, so much. And hit the like button and subscribe. Come back, see more videos, and see what I'm up to. So until next time, have a great day, and just enjoy the beauty around you. Bye-bye.